All right, my people. We're gonna do this week. This week's video will be our warm up. The warm up that we do in class every single time we start. Probably should have started off with that video, but I didn't. But we'll do it today. So most of you should be able to do this workout on your own without the video, but just in case we haven't been with each other for a long time, we'll do that one today. Okay? Here we go. So we're going to reach straight up, up, straight up, arms at the sides of your head or by your ears. Go straight up. We're going to go down to the side. Whichever side you decide, go down to the side. Straight to the side, stay there. 3, 2, 1. Good. Up. Now we're going to go the other side. Other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Up. We're going to go straight back. So reach back as far as you can go. Up. And then reach forward. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jumping jacks. 10. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Neck stretches side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And circles in the other direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Jump ropes. 2 feet. 2 feet together. Jump ropes. 10 count. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Shoulders up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward back. Up sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circles backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And circles forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1 foot jump ropes for a 10 count. 1 foot jump ropes. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees slightly. We're going to twist and reach all the way to the side when we twist and reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Around the world. Side, forward, other side, back, 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 side, forward, side. Now we're going other way, opposite direction. Side, forward, other side, back, side, forward, other side, back, side, forward, other side, back, side, forward, side. Good. Jump ropes, other foot. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. 2 feet together. Try not to bend your knees, and we're going to try to reach all the way down to our toes, or as far as you can go. So when we reach up, make sure to take that deep breath in, and then when we reach on down, exhale, let that breath out. So 2 feet together. Do not bend your knees. Try and touch your toes. Up. And reach. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Right over left. So 1 foot or 1 foot over the other. Doesn't matter which one you do first. So take 1 foot Put it on the other side. We're going to reach up. Deep breath in and reach. Let it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Now switch. Switch feet. Other foot over the other one. Other foot. Up. Inhale. Deep breath in. And reach. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right. Open. Feet open. Not shoulder width apart. A little bigger than that. A little bigger than that. So open. We're going to reach up. I'm going to reach down to the middle and exhale. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. We're going to reach down to one side. Reach down to one side. You're going to try to reach all the way down to your foot, or as low as you can go. If you can only go to your shin, calf area, that is fine also. And reach. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Good. Keep one hand there. Your hand that is your arm is forward. You're going to go straight up. You're going to reach straight up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. All right, keep your arms there. We're going to come up, but keep your arms to the side. Keep your arms to the side. Whichever side you went to, you're going to take that foot, and you're going to point that toe in that direction, and you're going to bend that knee. Keep those arms out. Keep those arms up. Down, 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 down. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and good. All right. Foot back up. Toe back forward. Up. Inhale in. And we're going to reach to the opposite foot, opposite direction, and reach. Exhale. Let that out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Keep that hand there. Other arm straight up. Try to look at that hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Keep those arms out. This foot, point that toe, and bend the knee in the same direction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right, shake it out. We'll go down to the floor. Let me fix this so we get a little lower. All right, here we go. Down. 2 feet in front. 2 feet in front. Try not to bend your knees. We're going to touch our toes. Same thing here. We're going to reach up. Take a deep breath in. Inhale, and then when I say reach, you exhale, you let that breath out. So 2 feet in front. Do not bend your knee. Try and touch your toes up. And reach. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and good. 1 foot in. When you bring that foot in, just bring the bottom of that foot straight to your leg. Straight to your leg. Don't sit on the leg. Okay. We're not going back. We'll go right here. In. Up. And reach. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Switch them up. Other foot. Other foot. Bring it in. Up. And reach. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Butterflies. Butterflies. So bottoms of your feet are together. Put your hands around your toes. Pull in. And if you want a deeper stretch, you can always use your elbows to push your legs out. 2. Back is straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Open. 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 Up. I'm going to reach down to the middle and let it out. Reach. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Up, up, up. We're going to go down to the one direction. Pick one side. Pick one side. Try to reach with both hands all the way down to your foot or as far down your leg as you can go. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Up, 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 up. We're going to go other way, and reach. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right. Feet together. We're going to lay straight down on our back. We're going to bring one leg straight up, and you're going to try the leg that's down. You're going to try to keep that leg straight also. Take your hands behind your leg and pull a little bit. Pull a little bit. If you feel any discomfort or pain, ease up a little bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. The leg that's up, bend it. Arms around your knee and squeeze like you're giving your knee a hug. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. That one down. Switch them up. Other leg up. Reach and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Bend and squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both legs up. Squeeze, and then you can rock forward, back, or side to side, or in circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Stay on the floor. On your stomachs. On your stomachs. Some of your stomachs. All right. We're going to get into a push-up position or a high plank. Okay. And what you're going to do now is you are going to look up. Up, 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 up. Reach up. Up, up. Look up, look up. Good. And now you're going to give me my bridge position. And you're going to look back. Look back. Look back. Good. Back to push-up position. And then now we're going to try, feet are going to be on top of each other. Your knee is not on the ground. You're going to try to put one hand up and hold this position. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Back to push-up position. Now we're going to do the other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Back to push-up position. We're going to do our cobra again. Cobra. Look up, look up, look up, look up. And bridge. Look back. And 10 count mountain climbers. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Up. All right. Fix my camera again. 25 jumping jacks. 25. 25. And go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Almost done. Jumps, line jumps, line jumps. We'll go forward, back. So keep those feet together, or it can even be shoulder width apart, whatever you're comfortable with. You're going to jump forward and back, forward, back. 10 count, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Good. Side jumps. At same line. You're going to jump over it. We're going to do side jumps now. 10 count. 10 count. Go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Last one, last one. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Let me show you the other way. And then all you're going to do is you're going to switch. You're going to switch. So it'll look like this. Okay? And then you switch back and forth. As fast as you can. Or slow. Okay? Just do it correctly. We'll go with a 10 count. 10 count. And go. 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right. So that was our normal workout that we always do. And if I look at my stopwatch, that took us exactly 15 minutes. So that was good. That was good. All right. Make sure to... I'm breathing a lot harder. Good. I'm a lot warmer. My heart rate is up, which is a good thing. That's what these workouts are for. They're not just for your grade. They are for your overall health. I want you guys to stay healthy and stay moving, because we don't get to move as much these days during these times. I want to give you credit for doing a workout. So make sure to check in with me. Send me a dojo message. Send me an email. I don't care which one. Your code word for today is stay safe. So stay safe. So when you message me on Dojo or my email, your name, okay, your first and last name, your room number, and then the code word. And the code word today is stay safe. So just message me that either on Dojo, my Dojo. I think I'm under Mr. Ivan Ramirez or Ivan Ramirez, Mr. Ramirez, whatever. Or my email, iramirez@learncharter.com. Okay? So make sure to message me. You should try and do this every single day, at least during the week, Monday through Friday. If you do it 3 or more times, you get the best grade possible, which is it's like an A. If you do it once or twice, that's the second grade. It's still good. It's still good. And then if you don't do it at all, I'm just gonna. It goes down as an incomplete, which is either you just don't want to get on or you are unable to get on. But there is a difference there. So please try to do this workout at least once a day. If you don't, that's our workout that we do all the time. So you guys all should know that one. If you want to do that one, you did it right now, obviously. But if you don't want to do this one tomorrow, do one of the other videos, okay? When you check in with one of the other videos, just tell me which one you did. There's no code word in those. I think that's it. If you have any questions, suggestions, whatever, you can email me. Or message me on Dojo. I promise I will respond. When you do check in, also I will give you a check in back, and I will tell you, good job, keep it up, whatever. But I will acknowledge that that I did get your message. Stay safe. Keep washing those hands. Drink lots of water, and I will see you next time.